Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to solve some word problems related to length. Till now we have learned addition and subtraction. Now we will apply these addition and subtraction in solving some word problem. So let us start with some addition problem. First of all, we have to learn how to understand word problem. Okay, so let us start with some addition problems. So here are some keywords like total, all, altogether. These are some keywords which tells us whether the problem is related to addition. Okay, by these words we can easily understand that question is all about addition. That is, we have to perform addition. So question, if it is asked to find total value or all together, then we have to do addition. So let us discuss with the help of some examples. So our first example is, suppose the question given to you is Seema runs 20 kilometer 250 meter in 1 week and 25 kilometer 200 meter in second week. How much total distance she run in 2 weeks? Okay, now first of all understand the problem. Seema runs 20 kilometer 250 meter in 1 week and 25 kilometer 200 meter in second week. So how much total distance she runs in 2 weeks? We have to find total distance. So for finding total we have to do addition. Okay, so this total word tells us about that problem is about addition. We have to perform addition. Okay, so let us start solving problem. Now Seema runs in first week. How much distance? 20 kilometer and 250 meter. And in second week Seema runs how much distance? 25 kilometer 200 meter. So we have to find total distance she covers. Okay, we will write statement like this is equal to, okay, Seema runs in first week this much, in second week this much, total distance she runs. What we will do? We will do addition. So let us start do addition. You know how to add these two numbers. There are two units, kilometer and meter. Kilometer is bigger unit, so first of all we will write kilometer and then we will write meter. Now we will write number according to their units. Okay, this is first number is 20 kilometer. Okay, so I will write here 20 and 250 meter, so here 250. Now second kilometer number is 25 and here 200 meter. So these are two numbers. Now we will add these numbers. You already learned how to add these two numbers. Start from right side. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 2 4. Here 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 2 4. So 4 5 4 5 0. Now we will write here their units. So our answer is 45 kilometer 450 meter. So total distance covered by Seema in 2 weeks is 45 kilometer 250 meter. Okay, it is remember to write unit every time, kilometer and meter. Okay, you have to write units after solving addition. Okay, now let us discuss another problem. Now we will discuss some subtraction problem. Okay, there are some keywords in subtraction like remaining, okay, left, more, Okay, these are some keywords which tells us about that question is all about subtraction, that we have to perform subtraction. Okay, let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose question is given to you, from a cloth 10 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, 3 meter 10 centimeter cloth was cut off. Okay, what is the length of remaining cloth? Okay, this is the question. From a cloth this much, 3 meter 10 centimeter cloth was cut off. What is the length of remaining cloth? Now remaining cloth, we have to find remaining cloth, means we have to perform subtraction. Okay, so let us start. You know how to subtract two numbers in length. So how we will subtract? First of all, we will write their units. So first of all, we will write units, but before that, first of all, we will write statement. Okay, total cloth, how much? Total cloth was 10 meter 20 centimeter. And how much cloth was cut off? Cut off cloth was 3 meter 10 centimeter. Okay, what is length of remaining cloth? So we have to find remaining cloth. So we will write here remaining cloth, and then we will subtract these two numbers. Now we already learned how we will subtract these two numbers. So first of all, again write units. Here are units now, meter and centimeter. Meter is bigger unit than centimeter, so first of all write meter and then centimeter. Now write numbers according to their units. Now meter, 10 meter means we have to write 10 below meter. Okay, and 20 centimeter, so we'll write here 20 centimeter. Now 3 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, now we have to subtract these two numbers. So put a sign of minus here, and this is 2 digit, this is 1 digit, so we'll put a 0 here. You know 10 is greater than 3, so first of all we write bigger number in subtraction. We have to remember this, that first we will write bigger number and then we will write smaller number. Okay, now start doing subtraction. We always do subtraction from which side? From right side. So first of all we subtract centimeter numbers. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. So 10 centimeter. Centimeter place is complete. Now move to meter place. Now 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we have to borrow from this place. Now this number will become 10 and this number will become 0. Okay. Now 10 minus 3, how much? 7, and 0 minus 0 here, 0. So 7 meter and 10 centimeter. So our answer is 7 meter and 10 centimeter. So remaining cloth was 7 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay. Now let us discuss another problem. Suppose question is given to you. Aryan bought 2 pieces of cloth. Okay, one was 20 meter long and another was 10 meter long. What is the total length of cloth? Okay, you have to find what is the total length of cloth. Now in this question you can easily understand whether it is addition problem or subtraction problem. Aryan has 2 pieces of cloth. One was 20 meter long and other was 10 meter long. We have to find total length of cloth. So total denotes that we have to perform addition. Okay, so this is addition sum. Now how we'll do this? One two pieces of cloth are here. One was 20 meter and 25 centimeter and other was 4 meter and 20 centimeter. So we have to find what is the total length of cloth. So first cloth was, or you can write length of first cloth. Okay, how much? 20 meter. And length of second cloth, how much? 10 meter. So you have to find total length. So we will write here total length is equal to, we will add these two numbers, 20 meter and 10 meter. For addition, we will write unit. Here is only one unit, meter. So we will add these two numbers, meter, 20 plus 10. So how much? 30 meter. So our answer is 30 meter. So total length of cloth purchased by him was 30 meter. Okay, in this way we can solve some word problem related to length.